Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on Review into Huck's World. And yes, people, we're back with another watch face review. Now listen up, we are going to do the giveaway. We're going to do it on Wednesday. We had a lot to do, so I hope you understand. With that being said, let's kick off this watch face review. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on Review into Huck's World, and we got GS in the building today with a nice casual watch face that I think is very nice, and it is affordable in the Gear Manager store. With that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, the name of it is called GS Digital One. I do like the look, very simplistic. Even in the AOD mode, you're gonna get the exact same design, same look, and it's gonna be in a black and white thing, which is gonna look awesome, especially at night. Now, once we turn the watch face on, I do like the look of this. It does pack a punch so far as features are concerned. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you're gonna get your months. And of course, right at the top, it's gonna give you your date as well. So the months swing around as you go into different months, which I thought was pretty cool. And I like the way it lights up as well. But if you come down, of course, you're gonna get the developer's logo, and you come down some more, you are gonna get your step status info like steps, heart rate, and also calories burned. Now to the right, you're going to get a stacked digital time, which I like. I like stacked time. I like something different, something unique. And you're going to get a nice moon phase over here in this box right here. Now, you will get shortcuts, which is cool. Again, remember, this watch face is affordable in the Gear Manager store. So now if I tap right here, I got two favorites that I could set, right? And I like that he gave us that. Got two, and they both are at the bottom. And then, of course, you can tap over here. You will be able to go into your weather, get your scheduler. You are going to be able to make a phone call, settings, and you're going to be able to go into your text messages, which I thought was pretty cool. And yes, you can customize it a little bit. So if I tap over here, I can change this to a different color, which I thought was nice. That looks pretty good. So you can customize it a little bit. That stands out as well. And we're going to cycle through a couple of more just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face, which I think is pretty cool. And also, if I come on this side, I could do the same thing. And it changes the opposite of what you just got through changing on that side, which I thought was pretty cool. And of course, you can change the inside of it as well. So it's pretty customizable. I like this because you can get real flexible with this watch face, and everything is very legible as well. And with that being said, at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed the video, of course, make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.